Here are the topic you should have in mind to see as your theory question. But before I go through it, please and please don't put so much pressure on yourself. It's better you know one, two topic than to know everything and still can't answer one out of it. So if you know one topic, go and practice more. Make sure you master it. If you know two, master it. If you are done saturated with it, then if there's still more time, you can just look at other questions. But if you can, just leave it with what you know and master it very well. I get me. Now, under what I want to tell you is simple. There is no topic that is likely. All the topics are likely to be seen. However, these are some points that you must know when you're preparing for your theory question. Now, under physics, the first thing you're going to be seeing is motion. I get me. Now, you might have seen dimension. Dimension has not been asked for the past 18 years now in history of WAEC. They have not asked dimension, like they will say find the dimension of so thing or find the dimension of acceleration. So we don't hope to see that in your what theory. Now under motion, there are different types of motion. There's one that talks about the four equations of motion, talk about the Newton's law of motion, about collision, circular motion, and so on and so forth. Projectile what motion, and what's other one again? Pendulum. I get it. Now when you come to this 1 2 3 4 5, if you know the three equations of motion, v equals u plus at, v square equals u square plus 2as, and s equals to ut plus half at square. Now under these three formulas, you will likely see this mostly under objective. The theory question aspect of this is going to want you to combine this formula and this other formula. Now, how can you use this formula? You're going to use this formula when there is no distance at all. S means distance. Use this formula when there is no distance on the motion. If you come to equation 2, use equation 2 when there is distance but there is no time. As you can see, there is no time but there is distance. Write this down. Equation 3, use equation 3 when there is distance and time, no final velocity. Distance and time, use here. Only distance without time, use this one. No distance at all, use this one. Now moving further, you may not likely see this on objective, any aspect of this, sorry, on your theory for tomorrow exam. You may not see motion on theory. Now what are you going to see? Frequently repeated question is from heat transfer, expansivity. I get me. Now from heat, latent heat of fusion, make sure you study it. Specific heat, make sure you study it. Now you want to see it on theory. The second one you will see, let's go back to this other one, is pendulum bulb. Something like looks like this. They want you to draw this type of thing, and most of the time they will require for the potential maximum, where there is maximum potential energy and maximum kinetic energy. Now if this is swinging like this, know that this is a rope. It's swinging like this. Now when this ring when it is swinging, if you swing here it will come back, if you swing here it will come back. Now what is happening when it swing here and reach here and start coming back? The kinetic energy here become zero. As it is going like this, it is increasing in potential energy and decreasing in kinetic energy. The maximum kinetic energy is found here. At this point is where the center point is where the maximum kinetic energy is found. Why at this place and this place is where the maximum potential energy is found. Remember that potential energy are energy that require a rest. Now you may be asked to draw this diagram. Are you getting me? That is what we can say from motion. Now we talk about heat. Study heat very well. Study heat. You always see question there. Now the next topic that you should look careful at is electricity. Now do you know why electricity and wave mostly electricity has 40% of physics, wave has 30% of physics. So you see, only the both of them can cover physics. Are you getting me? Now, other ones are just based on few topics and few knowledge. So that electricity is various types. They're going to ask you many questions in it. Now, the question you should expect is from AC circuit. AC circuit. If you don't know AC circuit, check the video on my channel. You're gonna see where I told on AC circuit question that you're gonna be seeing there. You're gonna check on AC circuit. They are going to ask you cells, type of cells, secondary cell, tertiary cell, and the thing that made up the cell under electricity. These are the things you have to study. You differentiate between primary and secondary cell. Study it very well. It's very easy. Just as I'm saying, write it down. Then after, you go find wherever you're gonna look for it and study it. Now the next one being wave. Wave is of various types. We have we have progressive waves, types of wave, we have sound wave, and we have what? Light wave. Do you get? Now the one you are going to see majorly on your theory question is going to be propagation of wave, not sound wave, not light wave. I get him. The one that uses the formula of a progressive wave, the one that uses the formula of a progressive wave. This one is the one you're going to see on what? Theory. So make sure you know how to find your frequency, your lambda, and the what? Amplitude. Very important. Now, before I end this video, I want to like explain something to you guys.